In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a weather widget in Notion. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up your Notion dashboard. So this is my Notion dashboard. It's called Headquarters. Link in the description if you're interested. It's basically my second brain. Then once you have your dashboard open, you're going to want to go over to a mirror. Now I want you to walk up to this mirror and look yourself in the eyes. And really just take a second to slow down and really try to get an understanding of why do you even want a weather widget.
Stop pooping.
Unless you're a windsurfer or a pigeon, you don't need a weather widget. It is a waste of space in your Notion dashboard. So 94% of workers reported feeling more productive in a clean workspace. Your Notion dashboard is your workspace. If it's cluttered and filled with a bunch of stuff like a clock widget or a weather widget or any of these other widgets that you don't actually need, and it's a high chance that you're using Notion to become more productive. So if you're cluttering your workspace with all these things that you don't need, they're just serving as distractions and taking you away from actually achieving your goals. Another study found that when participants cleared clutter from their work environment, so again, in this case it's your Notion dashboard, they were better able to focus and process information and their productivity increased. I know you clicked this video for a tutorial on a weather widget, but you don't actually need one. What you need is a clear way to add tasks into your Notion dashboard, to add projects into your Notion dashboard, and to have a space for all of your different life areas. You also want to clearly be able to take quick notes and add resources. The second you're cluttering your space with a bunch of different stuff that you don't need, your productivity will decrease. However, and the odds are low with this, if you are working in a job that requires you to check the weather, I don't know, you work outside or you are a weatherman, then I will show you how to add a weather widget in Notion. So the first thing we're going to do in our Notion dashboard is just clear some space for where we're going to put the widget, so I'll just put it here. Then we're going to go over to indify.co. Now here you can sign up either with an email address or with your Google account. Now if you haven't logged in before, you should see the weather widget here. So we'll just press on create widget and I'll call this weather. We'll look at this cute animation. And then here on the side you can change your location, you can change the unit, you can change how many days you want, so let's say this is 7 days, and then as you can see it is updating here on the side. Now this is a responsive widget, which is very cool, so as you can see here you can drag it and it will change the design, but we can also change those settings once it's inside Notion. So once you've got all of this set up and you're happy, you'll go down here and you'll click on this little clipboard icon. Now we'll go back to our Notion headquarters and we are going to do / and write embed, and you should see embed here. Click on that. Now we're just going to paste that link and click on embed. And now as you can see it shows up here. Now as I said, it's responsive, so you can drag these if you want. You can also drag this if you want it on the side like this, for example. So place it wherever you want. But once again, the priority of your Notion dashboard should be to make you organized, productive, and motivated. You want to be in this space and not feel cluttered and feel distracted with a bunch of different stuff going on, such as weather. So once you're done, delete. If you want to see a full walkthrough of this Notion template, I recommend watching this video here. Thanks for watching.